Hi everybody, today I will show you how to download and using Nmap. The Nmap is official Nmap security scanner GUI. It's free and open source tool. It's an important tool for corporate network. Security pros need to know and able to know which device is connecting network all the time. What Nmap allows grab represent network quickly and easily documents network host and identify host using unauthorized ports. First of all, I will show you demo on Windows 10 machine, but I will show you first how to download. So, open any web browser. In my case, I open Internet Explorer. Type in nmap.org. Go to download section. I scroll down and for Windows machine, latest stable release self-installer. So click on this. So save it. So click view downloads. Open folder. You can see it's already here. So go ahead and just run it. So it should be this one here. Make sure you click on this. Click agree. Click next. You can see on your destination folder the path. If you want to change this or if you want to agree, just click install. So it will take some time to install it. After Win is installing complete, you can basically use it from terminal, or if you wanna use it from GUI version. Is it up to you? Just open in terminal. Just click agree and make sure you click on this install npcap in Wing Pickup API compatible mode, or you can also click on support raw, restrict npcap driver access to admin only. But make sure you click on install npcap in Wing Pickup API compatible mode and then install. It's pretty slow because I am running two virtual machine on my physical machine. Click next, click finish. So here we go. The Nmap is installed on your computer. It's still installing on background. So click next. Make sure you tick these ones. Click next and click finish. And you can see Nmap GUI is installed. So just check on terminal, type Nmap, and if it's successfully installed, you'll get commands below. Yeah, it's successfully installed. So I'm not working from terminal, so I'm going to close the terminal. So double click in Nmap GUI. So I'm in the GUI now. So I will do some demo here to ping any website such as google.com to get information. Type in domain name and go to quick scan and the scan button. And select here as quick scan, then scan. It shows you command to use it. After that, just click scan.